Hello. Quick little video today. It's Saturday. We went and looked at a coach, a new coach. Not new to us. But today, I'm cleaning up, fall cleanup. And one thing I had to clean up, which I took pictures of. I think my wife might have taken a video that I'll get her send. Was pumpkins. We had all them pumpkins, 7, 8 pumpkins. So I'm putting them in a compost heap. But I don't like to just put them in as whole pumpkins. So I did this. Yeah. So they're all chopped up. From a previous video where I flipped the bins around, the compost bins around. Added some water, maybe too much water. Did not heat back up. Oh, look at the sun. It's pretty cold, but it's pretty broken down too. So if I start getting a lot more stuff, I may just keep adding it on top here, which it looks like somebody's dug a hole in the back there. But and maybe winter, if it gets high or something, maybe I'll turn it back into the other one. I don't know. But anyways, just a quick video for today. Not that you guys would know, because I could attach this to another video that's a long video. But anyways, that's what's going on at Noah's house today. Have a good weekend. Well, I took some pictures. I didn't take any video. I didn't get my tripod out or anything. But just cleaning up where I planted wildflowers this year, and it worked out great. Chopped them up with the mower. Just let all that go back in, and I'm gonna amend the tops of these little beds. Spring, plant wildflowers back in. Out front by the mailbox, tomato plants did great. I put them in there as a joke. They laid on the ground and produced twice as many tomatoes as the ones in the pots in my yard. This is what this bed looks like. Oh yeah, it's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Ooh, it was pretty cold. Now it's heating up a little. Maybe 55 today. Hello. And this is what's going on at Noah's house today. Fall cleanup. Not really going to video a lot of it. It's me going to be cutting grass and blowing some leaves. Putting some plastic on some beds. But I did just want to make a little snippet. It is the 7th of November. It's 28 degrees this morning. Gonna peck in the 50s today. Went out to dinner last night with some friends that own a cheese shop locally to Pittsburgh. Really cool time. And we get the wheelbarrow, some mowers out, and start doing some cleaning up. Get some leaves to start building my leaf mold pile. Ooh, almost dropped my phone. That's about it. Okay, so, damn, I said okay again. Drives me nuts. Like I was saying before, we're doing a little cleanup today. It's cold. Now I'm sweating from pushing a mower. I have a front yard, only a hill, has a wall. I still push mow that. Well, it's still propelled, but still I'm pushing and walking. And this is what we got. Oh. That's gonna be good. It's got some leaves chopped up in with it. I'm trying not to put a ton of leaves in my pile this year. I can work good in the leaf mold pile that was just leaves, but it seems like in here sometimes it takes them forever to break down, and if you miss a step and don't turn it, you get a whole section that's just dried up leaves that are doing nothing. But the chopped up leaves with the grass, there's pumpkins in there. I gotta get some more brown, some more carbon stuff, which I have some cardboard and some stuff. Some shredded paper I gotta get. I'm gonna mix that in, but it's not so bad. Well, I have some leaves to blow now into the yard, and I want to start. I don't know if I'm going to collect them this time. I try to let my grass grow higher. When the first little bit of leaves are falling now, which is still a good bit, I mow to knock the grass down, and I cut my grass at the highest height on my mowers. So this will be the grass that has the leaves chopped up in it. And then when the bulk of the leaves start falling, I find that if I cut the grass, it's not long and spindly. I have a couple different type of blowers, even rakes. It helps them get them out of the grass. It helps them move. If I wait for them all to fall and I don't cut the grass, well, it turns into a huge mess. And I did that about 20 years ago. And this is the system I came up with years ago. And it seems to work. I used to blow the leaves 3 times. But like I said, I'm really looking forward to the leaves now, to build another pile, to smash it in there, get some more of that good stuff. So I'm going to carry on. It's about 1 o'clock. It's Sunday. A couple coffee in. I'm gonna get back to it. Hey, look at the sun behind me. New plan. Every year since I've lived here, I blow the leaves, which we get a ton of. I used to just blow them into the woods. And what's funny is I would go get that soil, and I used some of that soil recently, and I'm like, wow, this soil is so good. It's black, it's full of worms. Really got back into gardening hardcore a couple years ago, watching a lot of videos. Now I know why. But I have these beds. Oops. Flower beds. Look nice. Got some grasses. That is a lilac tree. Bird bath. But I did chop up the wildflowers that were growing here. But, see, and there's the garden as it goes. But I started thinking, why am I going to blow all those leaves out of those beds? They just sit there all winter, decompose, and look great. So, new plan, I'm going to blow them out of the driveway into the side yard. I got the tractor out. I'm going to chop them up, suck them up. Compost pile for the first set, and then the subsequent amount of leaves I'm gonna suck up and put in the leaf mold system. So yeah, I'm not gonna blow these leaves out of these beds. Still gonna blow some leaves. So, I've done a lot of leaf blowing, and I got everything into the side yard, and I'm thinking I'm gonna run these over, chop them up pretty good, and use this as the base of my leaf mold thing that I did last year. I'm going to start with some finely chopped. It's going to have some grass in there. I think it's fine. I think it'll get it, you know, kind of going, get the worms. But this is what I'm gonna chop up. I wish you could flip this camera around while you're doing this, but you can't. Here's what I'm gonna do. Oh yeah. And this is just a taste of the amount of leaves that are yet to fall. I'm gonna chop these guys up. I'm gonna see how they look, and if I don't like the consistency or whatever it is, I'll either put them on around some beds or some trees, or I'll put them in my compost bin, or I'll do the leaf thing. I'll let you know. It's really cold. It's the end of November. I've been editing and putting up videos. I haven't made one in a little while, but I did get a microphone. I'm not wearing it today, but I did get one. Lou's out here with me, and we're getting kind of the final pickup of the leaves. And I do try to use them on the beds, which this year I did it more than I ever have on these beds here. And I hit a button and turned it off. There's Lou. But I don't want the leaves to just congregate, or they're just gonna rot and maybe get on the wood of the house or something like that. But I planted some garlic a couple weeks ago. I made a little short video. So now I got the rake out, I got the blower out. I was up on my small roof getting leaves out of the gutters and the eaves. Don't want them to once again sit around and rot out, and that's not gonna be good. So I did get a microphone, like I was saying. I don't have it out today, but I do have in mind some projects I'm gonna do, even though it's cold. I can't wait to use this microphone. Hopefully it works. I charged it up and did a little test. That's cool. So I got a tripod, I got a phone, I got a camera, and I got a microphone and an internet connection. Dude, I'm in. So me and Lila are gonna get some leaves kind of piled up in the backyard here. Get the mower out, tractor out, chop them up, keep piling them up down in my leaf compost setup. Maybe cover some more beds. I've covered all my raised beds. I have my hoop houses up and going. I did plant out those little lettuces and stuff. I don't know if anything's gonna happen. I think it was too cold and seriously hit with slugs, which ate most of my brassicas, but I do have one kale plant that's looking spectacular, so I'm happy about that. That's just a little bit about what's going on at Noah's house today on a very blustery Saturday. Yeah, we'll see what else happens today. Well, it's been a long day of blowing leaves. It's been pretty cold. It's warmed up to about 36 degrees, which is good because some of the stuff that was frozen on the roof, which is right there, I'm going to blow off and get up. I wait till most of them fall, but I don't want them laying on my roof. But I wanted to show you what I did with all the leaves I've been chopping up. I covered most of the beds up front, and I covered a lot of stuff in my bags. I shoved leaves in there to keep everybody going. But this is what I did with most of them. And I did get a microphone. I'm not using it yet. Get my tripod microphone out, maybe do some stuff tomorrow. I'm excited about that. What's over there? But here's my little thing I got. And I'll show you. So, that is all me chopped up leaves. Now, I chopped them up a lot more than what I did last year. Last year was mostly just piled in leaves. This year, I chopped most of them up. It takes about a year, and I got some really good stuff. So, I'm pretty excited this year to see what happens. But I'm kind of winding down. It's about 2 in the afternoon. I'm going to put my tractor away. I'm having an adult beverage. Smoking a pipe, some black Cavendish. Relaxing. I'm going to put my blower away. I'm going to edit some videos tonight. I do enjoy doing that. It's pretty fun. But I didn't film a lot today because it was a lot of arbitrary moving leaves, blowing leaves, chopping them up with the tractor. But I do have some plans, some winter plans. I'm definitely going to film that. One is over here. And there it is. That's my little tool shed I'm going to build. And I did find some longer pallets at a local place just sitting out with free wood on it. So that's going to be cool. So I think I'm going to have enough wood to build my pallet shed. And I'll do it in the winter. Snow, it doesn't matter. But definitely going to set a camera up for that. Hopefully, I don't know, it's interesting. But not much else going on at Noah's house. We're going to start cleaning up. It has been getting dark, like at 5 o'clock. So got to get up early and do a lot of stuff. But everything else is, coming along, looking good. Just a lot of fall cleanup stuff. And that's what's going on at Noah's house today. I think I said that previously. Before I forget, like, subscribe, share this around. And I'll probably put some other stuff in here. Just some cleaning up stuff. We'll see you.